Hello everyone, today we are going to see class 10 exercise 3.16 the sum 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So write another linear equation in two variables. So first for intersecting line and for parallel and coincide lines, all three we are going to write. Okay, so our given clue is 2x plus 3y minus 8. So I'm going to write first given equation is nothing but 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 is my given equation. Clear? So according to intersecting lines, I know my ratio should be according to intersecting lines. My ratio should be a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Clear? So here my a1, this is my a1 and this is my b1 and this is my c1, but in an intersecting line we are not going to consider this c1. So my ratio should not be equal, right? So if it is not equal, I can just write the opposite of this equation, which is nothing but some random numbers, whole numbers I'm going to write. Okay, so it should not be equal, right? So that I'm going to write any other number, like for example 5, say for 5x plus 20y minus 8 is equal to 0, or instead I can write also 9. So here this is my a2, b2, c2, right? Here so 2 by 5 is not equal to 3 by 20. So therefore it is an intersecting line. So we have we wrote this in a correct form. Okay, so just change the constants of x and y. Clear? It should not be a multiple, it should not cancel out. Okay, so 2 by 5 we can't cancel, right? And 3 by 20 also we can't cancel, so that it can be equal. So it should not be equal. Okay, write some random numbers and check if it is equal or not. If it is not equal, then my condition satisfies intersecting lines. Clear? So next is parallel lines. Parallel lines we are going to see. So the given equation is my same equation, 2x plus 3y minus 8, and my condition for parallel lines is nothing but a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. Here I can understand from a condition itself that my coefficient of x and y should be same, but my constant should not be same. Clear? So this is a1, a2, b1, and this is c1. Clear? So my coefficient of x and y can be equal, but my constant should not be equal for my next equation. So with this I'm going to frame. So for example, I'm going to take the multiples of okay, so first we'll write this equation, so which is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this coefficient of x into 2 and this also into 2. So if I multiply, I'll be getting 4x plus 6y minus say something like 12 I'm going to write, or 19 is equal to 0. So here if I put the ratio, a1 by a2 is nothing but what? 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is nothing but minus 8 by minus 19, which I cannot cancel it. Clear? So this will be my parallel lines condition where I'm going to multiply. So not only 2, I can multiply with 3, 4, any other number I can multiply. But I should multiply with the same number. Here if you multiply with 2, and here also you should multiply with 2 only for parallel lines I am saying. Okay. In our first condition, we saw that all my the equation should just be opposite. It should not be equal in the ratios, but here the coefficient of x and y should be equal. So I'm just multiplying in the with the same number so that my ratio will be equal. So this satisfies my condition, right? So next one is coincide lines. Coincide lines. So 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, and my condition is a1 a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this is my condition where all the three ratios are equal. Okay, so here only two ratios are equal, so I multiplied only the same number for x and y. Here all my three ratios are equal, so I am going to multiply the same number for all the three. Into 2, into 2, into 2. So it is 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. So if I cancel 2 by 4, 3 by 6, minus 8 by minus 16, I'll be getting same 1 by 2, right? So my answer is correct. So this is a coincide line. It is a pair of linear equation which is a coincide line. Clear? So here all my three ratios are equal, so I am multiplying all the three terms with the same number. Here only first two ratios are equal, so I am multiplying the first two terms with same number. Here all my terms are not equal, so I'm not going to multiply, just I'm going to write some random numbers where I can't simplify further, which satisfy my condition. So that's it. Thank you.